Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best buffing accessories are probably one of the most crucial elements in achieving that showroom quality shine on your vehicle, transforming a dull finish into a mirror-like masterpiece that truly turns heads. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference in how effectively and efficiently you can remove imperfections, enhance gloss, and protect your paintwork, ensuring your car looks its absolute best. Number 5. Dremel Rotary Tool Polishing Buffing Wheels, 20 PCS. Introducing a comprehensive 20-piece buffing wheel kit designed for your rotary tools. This set includes everything you need to achieve a brilliant shine. It comes with 10 cylinder-shaped and 10 bullet-shaped grinding heads in various sizes. These different shapes ensure you can tackle any polishing task with precision. These polishing bits are ideal for a wide range of materials including aluminum, resin, metal, and glass. Achieve a clean and bright finish on diverse surfaces. Each buffing wheel features a standard 1/8-inch, 3 mm, shank. This ensures compatibility with most standard rotary tools and drills. Elevate your crafting and repair projects with these essential accessories. They are perfect for detailed work on molds, medical equipment, and intricate metal pieces. These are specifically designed for rotary grinding and polishing tasks. Get the best results for your intricate projects with these high-quality pads. What we like. This kit offers a great variety of shapes and sizes for different polishing needs. If you're looking for a versatile set for general-purpose polishing on metal, glass, or even medical equipment, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for hobbyists and DIYers who tackle a range of small projects. What people say. Great little buffers. I mainly got them for buffing my iPhone screen as they clean it right away. Used on a few other things as well, but great for speed. I use these for the chrome on my motorcycle. Put on a Dremel extension cable and I'm still on using the first one. Great for polishing chrome in hard-to-reach places, and there are a lot of hard-to-reach places on a MC. I got these to fit my rotary tool and polish silver. They are easy to install and I didn't expect them to last long on the heavily tarnished areas and had to replace often. On pieces not so tarnished they lasted longer. The name brand at my local hardware store lasts just as much and cost twice as much. I use these on outdoor knobs after cleaning with a protective polish and it requires less elbow grease if using a cloth, so I definitely like that. On my third order and highly recommend. Number 4. Renegade Products Big Rig Metal Polishing Kit. This comprehensive 12-piece kit provides everything you need for a full aluminum polishing setup. It includes all the essential tools and accessories for professional results. Achieve a flawless finish on your aluminum tanks, wheels, and trim with our all-in-one solution. It effectively sands and polishes even in tight spots. Keep your surfaces looking their best with our specialized polish and microfiber applicators. They help maintain that brilliant mirror finish and protect your aluminum. Breathe new life into dull and oxidized aluminum. This kit effectively removes oxidation, rust, and dullness, restoring surfaces to a bright, reflective shine. We stand behind our product with a satisfaction guarantee and expert technical support. Achieve pro-level polishing results with confidence. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit specifically designed for large vehicles like semi-trucks. If you're aiming to restore heavily oxidized aluminum tanks, wheels, or trim to a mirror finish, this kit has everything you need. It's perfect for truck owners or detailers who want professional results on large aluminum surfaces. What people say. The kit came complete with everything you need to get started. The kit included all of the necessary items to clean and polish my 20-year-old pontoon. Fantastic results. First picture was before with the old product, next 2 pictures were with the Renegade brown compound and red wool, only one cut and the difference speaks for itself. Renegade is definitely in a class of its own. Number 3. 1-inch polishing buffing wheel set. Achieve a mirror finish on your delicate items. This set is perfect for intricate work on watches and jewelry. Easily attach these wheels to your rotary tool with the 3 mm shank. They are designed to be a perfect fit for your existing accessories. Crafted from wool, felt, and cotton, these polishing wheels offer superior performance. They are built to last through your polishing tasks. The 1-inch size is perfect for reaching small areas and achieving fine details. Get professional results on intricate designs. This comprehensive 50-piece kit provides everything you need for mini brush polishing. You'll have plenty of wheels for multiple projects. Elevate your watchmaking and jewelry crafting with these essential polishing tools. They help bring out the best in your creations. What we like. With 50 pieces, this set provides excellent value and is particularly suited for intricate work. If you frequently polish small items like watches and jewelry, this kit offers plenty of bits to get the job done. It's an economical option for those who need a high volume of polishing accessories for detailed tasks. What people say. The mix of wool, felt and cotton wheels makes it easy to switch between cutting, polishing, and finishing, and they hold up well without falling apart during use. The yellow and white stack buffs could tolerate a deep concentrated hold into the metal edge even when pressed to the point of spin distortion of the diameter. Surprisingly tough little bits. The white stack leaves an almost final stage polish finish with even a medium grit compound. Number 2. Felt wool polishing buffing pad set for Dremel. Get a fantastic deal on this extensive set of polishing accessories. It includes 134 pieces of compressed wool rotary tool accessories, perfect for various tasks. They are designed for repeated cleaning and reuse. Crafted from high-quality compressed felt and metal, these polishing tools offer excellent durability and polishing capability. They are perfect for reaching tight spots and can be used until they are completely worn down. This set comes with 2 versatile mandrels and 2 bottles of polishing paste, offering great value. They are an economical choice, especially if you use them frequently, and are easily replaceable. Achieve a brilliant shine on a variety of materials. These polishing pads are suitable for both pneumatic and electric rotary grinders and are ideal for molds, jewelry, metals, plastics, and more. We prioritize our customers and aim to provide the best products and service. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, please contact us, and we'll be happy to resolve any issues. What we like. This is an incredibly cost-effective option with a huge number of pieces, including useful extras like mandrels and polishing paste. If you do a lot of polishing and go through accessories quickly, or if you're on a budget but need a wide assortment for various materials and small parts, this is the way to go. It's perfect for frequent users and those seeking maximum value. What people say. Worked really good with the paste it came with. There are a bunch of felts too, this should last you a while. None of the pieces broke apart at high speeds and kept polishing, which is where other brands have failed. Sizes are great and are easy to use and install. What you get in this package is excellent value. I have found it polishes chrome easily and does a great job at detailing. You get a ton in the package. Number 1. 78 PCS polishing buffing wool set for rotary tools. This set includes various materials and shapes to suit all your needs. With different sizes and a 1/8-inch shank, they are perfect for most rotary tools and drills. Crafted from compressed wool, cotton, cloth, and metal, these polishing pads offer exceptional durability and polishing power. They are designed to reach tight spots and uneven surfaces effectively. Make your polished items sparkle and shine. They are ideal for a wide range of applications, including jewelry, watches, molds, glass, medical equipment, and metal surfaces. For best results and to ensure longevity, it's recommended to use a lower speed setting on your tool. Excessive speed can cause damage and reduce their lifespan. We are committed to providing the best products and service. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we will be happy to assist you and ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This set focuses on durability and quality with materials like compressed wool and cotton, offering a good range of sizes. If you prioritize long-lasting accessories and need reliable performance for polishing jewelry, watches, or metal surfaces, this is a great choice. It's suitable for users who want dependable tools for achieving a clean shine. What people say. The polishing pads are made of high-quality foam and wool, ensuring durability and excellent polishing results. The backing plate is designed for easy attachment and detachment of the pads, saving time during the buffing process. The kit includes a variety of pad grits, allowing for versatile use on different surfaces and for various polishing tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.